Hey, I got a tattoo from you a few months ago, and we have an issue. Oh no, what's going on? So, the memorial tattoo that you did, the date's wrong. The numbers are not correct. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I don't know how this happened. We double checked everything. I asked you and made sure everything was correct before we tattooed it. But let me know how we can fix this and let me know what the correct date is. Oh, yeah, no, when you did the tattoo, I thought that it was correct, but it turns out I had the wrong date, and it's supposed to be a 12 instead of a 17. Oh. Well, here's what we can do. If you want to set up an appointment for another tattoo, we can do that, and then I can fix those numbers the same day. That way you don't have to pay shop minimum. Shop minimum? Why would I be charged for your mistake? Well, not to be rude, it wasn't my mistake. I tattooed the date that you gave me. I'm going based off of your information. Well, yeah, I know that I got the date wrong, but it's still wrong, and you tattooed the wrong thing on me. Well, I am offering that if you want to set up an appointment to get another tattoo, I can go ahead and fix those numbers, no charge. But if you want to make an appointment just to fix the numbers, then it will be shop minimum. No, if anything, I should be getting a refund for the tattoo that you messed up. If it was truly my fault, I would give you a refund or fix the tattoo for free. But I went based off of your information. How was I supposed to know it was wrong? At this point, I just want the refund. Don't worry about fixing it. Alright, no problem. I have your refund right here.